Hey guys, well today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this.
Step one, you're gonna find an old deck. I use this one, it's pretty beat up in the middle, but it has a lot of chips on the end as well. Step two, find a shape that you like. I just looked on Google online. I found this one, has like a little fishtail on the end. Step three, brought in the big guns and had my wife help trace the shape onto this piece of paper. And then we just turned around and traced it right on to the board. Step four, protective eyewear. Step five, you're gonna cut your shape out. I would recommend using a jigsaw, not a Sawzall. Because step six, it took me a lot longer to sand all the edges down. Make sure you sand off the graphics so we can paint it. You're gonna tape off the board next. Look for some paint that you like. I picked orange. Obviously do this outside so you don't have overspray everywhere. Step nine, wait to dry. Enjoy your favorite drink, mine, Topo Chico. And then step seven, find some old trucks and wheels and then set that board up. You can see these trucks and wheels are super old just from the dirt and grime on them. And that is it. That's how you turn an old board into a new cruiser board. Enjoy. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all things faith, family, and skateboarding. We will see you guys in the next video. And as always,
thanks for hanging.